I made this Shito recipe under 1 hour. Hello guys and welcome back again to my channel. Hope you guys are doing wonderfully well. As I said earlier on, we are making Ghana Shito. This recipe is easy, quick to make and a budget friendly. The outcome is so lovely. So I have my vegetables, I have some onions, some habanero pepper, green onion, some garlic, ginger. I also have some rosemary, bay leaf, star anise, some coriander seed, and fennel seed. So I will be blending everything together off camera. If today is your first time here, thank you so much for stopping by. Okay, so I blended the vegetable with some water and then transfer into my pan. So I will be cooking this blended vegetable until all the water evaporated from it. So I just want to use this opportunity to thank my returning subscribers. Thank you guys so much for always coming through for me. You watch my videos, you leave a comment under my post. God bless you all. And to my new subscribers too, thank you so much for your love and God bless you guys too. So now, after some time, I gave it a mix. I stir and there is still some water again. So I'll let this be on the fire for additional few minutes. Alright, so now most of the water is out and I'll just go ahead and go in with my tomato paste, and after that I will stir everything until they are well combined and then leave this on the fire for 5 minutes. Thank you so much if you are still watching up to this time, and please don't forget to like and also share this video. You can follow me on Facebook and also watch my short videos on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts. So the name is Getty Cooks and it is totally free. Okay, so at this point, all the water is out. Just look at how it turned out, and I went ahead to take it off and set it aside. So in another pot, I've already heated the oil. I will go in with the cooked sauce which I showed you guys earlier on. So now at this point, we will just be frying everything. We are not going to add any water at this point again. All we need to do is just to fry everything until it is well cooked, and before we add the other ingredients to the shito. Okay, so when making shito in general, you need a lot of oil when you want to make shito. So I'll be adding more oil at the latter part. So you can see that the sauce is also being fried very well and the heat is medium and it's not too high or you're going to have a burnt one. So I will be stirring this consistently to prevent any burnt from the shito. Okay, fam, at this point, the aroma smells so nice and amazing. So I'll go in with my shrimps tablet, some adobo seasoning, and also curry powder. I will mix everything together. So at this point, I'm not going to add salt. I will add it later on. So I will mix until they are well combined. Alright fam, so at this point I'll go in with my powdered pepper. I'll also go in with my shrimp powder and also my crushed herrings. So I will mix everything to combine very well. Okay guys, so our shito is almost ready, and I also added more oil off camera, and so I'm now stirring this continuously, and the fire now is very low, so I will be stirring it to avoid any burnt. All right, lovelies, this is our shito all ready and done. What will you pair with this shito? Let me know in the comment section below. If you find this video interesting, give it a thumbs up and also share this video. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and see you in my next one. Peace be with you all. Bye.